guys, today we will be unboxing another one, which is Hatchimals Collectibles. Mermaid Magic, it's 5 years and above. 82 collect, it can color change in 97 degrees Fahrenheit. And I got scissors here just in case. The background is different because we are traveling, not moving, just traveling. We'll come back to the regular background. And let's open it now. There's an egg in here, just in case if you don't know. And it looks unusual, like this. We have our collector's guide. Oops, I kind of ripped it, but it's okay. Well, actually, I ripped it a bunch. Just trying to open it, but it's still okay. In the collector's guide, this is my first Hatchimal of this. It's season 5. I don't have one of these. There's Mermels, Underwater Friends, Mermaid Twins, Special Edition, Mischief March, Racing River, and Limited Edition. 6-pack. Oh, these are 6-packs and stuff. And there's 1 dozen. And here's our little bitty egg. It's so cute. I cut it open. I just don't want to break it. I kind of dropped it. Poor Eggie. There's like plastic here. I don't know if she's going to do that. But let's just try to get it out with the scissors. Sorry about the noise. It's just crunchy, like real crunchy. Okay, got the egg. And I also got a bowl of water. Here's our egg. It's like a shell. Let's warm up. Warm it up until it's pink. So, it's kind of getting pink a little bit. Let's warm it in water. Now it's all warmed up. And, yeah. And we're going to open it, crack it open. I don't like cracking open. Let's see who we got. We got somebody pink. It's really cute. So, here's who we got. I don't know which one we got yet. But I know it's my favorite color, so this is really hard to get open. And we might have to use the scissors. No idea how to do it. And let's open it now. Like, I think I already said that. Yeah. We're going to have to just do it like this from the bottom. Here's who we got. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. We're going to see, what's its name? So we got an underwater friend. I think her name is Bunwee. And we can color change her. We're going to bring her water. You can see. Ouch, I hurt my finger. It's like really cool. And it turned yellow. That's very cool. It turned yellow. And we got a cute one that I really love. We're going to come back over here and we are going to re-warm up the pieces of the heart. Just like this. And I'm going to come over here again and warm it up. See, it turned, I don't know if you guys can see, but it turned pink. Okay, I'm going to try to get it out without burning my finger. Carefully. This is a way you could warm up the egg. You could. Wait, I can't get this piece out. Yeah, but it's like really cool. And I just love the color of this. And I think I came with a new shell. You could get another new shell here. I don't know. Let's cut the plastic out. Yeah, we do not like plastic. And we got a new type of shell, which our Hatchimal can sleep in. We've got Bunwee, and it's turning orange instead of red. We can put it back in the water. Nothing else color changing? No. Just for another color change, you could do it anytime, but maybe whenever it gets old, you couldn't do it. And it's like real cool. It turns from yellow to orange to red. The color's very cute, and I don't have a bell, so I'm gonna have to make a dinging noise for this. Okay, it's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, ding ding, like, and comment down below. Bye!